Colorful smoothies, an easy, pocket-friendly way to get kids drink up their fruits and veggies. You can use fresh or frozen fruits for this process. Maybe some strawberries, raspberries, kiwis, peaches, mangoes. The possibilities are innumerous. But it's a very nice afternoon snack that is very healthy and speeds up the process of eating lots of fruits early, quickly and completely stressless. It's a thick, creamy cold beverage made with pureed raw fruits or even vegetables mixed with dairy products like milk, yogurt, ice cream, typically using a blender. So let's get into it. So here I'm taking strawberries and kiwi just for an example. So first off, let's make the strawberry smoothie. Just cut the strawberry into simple pieces. Take fresh and sweet strawberries. Add some sugar according to your sweetness. Add some milk. Don't add much because you need a thick and a creamy type of taste. So give it a little blend. And yeah, you're ready to go. A healthy, delicious smoothie is ready. Serve it in a glass and you're ready to go. A smoothie with little chunks of fruits. Yeah, all done. Strawberry smoothie. Similarly, kiwis. Peel the kiwi, give it a good dice. This completely same process, just the fruits keep changing. You can add anything. Peaches, mangoes, banana, raspberries, anything. Just give it a good dice. Sugar, splash of milk, blend it. Blend it well till you get a good mix of fruit, milk and sugar. See the color, the green colors of the kiwi. Amazing. Pour it and it's ready to serve. Similarly, you can try it with any kind of fruits. You can even give it some combinations like fruits and raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, giving it a good mixed berry feel, or just go with a simple dry fruits or kiwis, bananas, anything, or make a mixed fruit cocktail smoothie. You can do it in any way possible.